Alright, guys, today we're going to be creating an amazing design. An amazing design. Alright, so first we have to determine the size of what we're going to be using. Okay, 1080 by 1080. Alright, good. Put the background from our gallery. Okay, this is it. Increase it a little bit. Okay, we'll have to lock this. Okay, let's lock it. Alright, then we're going to have to import something else from our gallery. Going to have to import. Alright, this is it. Increase the size a little bit. Okay, good. Alright, to bring in our test. I actually saw this design, so I thought of replicating it. Alright, increase the size, change the color to black. Yeah, change the font also. Okay, no, in something catchy. Alright, this is good. Go to line spacing a little bit here. We have to take this to the back. Good. 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 This is it. Okay. Alright. Lock this. Bring our shapes. Change to black. So give the black color. Alright. Bring our text also just right. Maybe JPG slash maybe DJ. We'll say, or maybe DJ Austin. Just just write something. Alright. Change the font also. Okay. Alright. Okay. Just make sure it's at. Make this to be at the center. Okay. Make this to be at the center also. Okay. Okay. Good. think this is good. Okay, I have to copy this. Just copy it. Log that. Let's copy this. Okay. That test. Club Biggie. Presents. Change the color. Change the font also. Okay, this is good. Give it a white color. Okay, good. Make sure you are aligned them properly. Okay. Okay. Align them properly. Alright. Good. Good. Let's include another test. Friday 15th December. Okay, give it a black color. So I have to change the font also. Just make sure your fonts are properly aligned. You know, give it a leaks pattern font. Okay. All right. Okay. Good. Good. Okay. Good. Okay. So I'm going to have to include some other text also. So at start 10 p.m. So entry. At Club Biggie. Yeah, good. Exactly. Alright. Okay. Okay. This is it. Alright. It's aligned to the center. Good. Then finally the last but not the least, just add www.clubbiggie.com/ng. Alright. Give it black color, just the size. Adjust it down a little bit. Okay. Finally, I think we are done with this design. So just save the image as PNG, save it ultra. All right, saving. All right,